boy in the yard is my brother. The boy in the yard is my brother. Should we do clause structure arrangement for this? The boy in the yard becomes the subject of the sentence. Is a predicator. My brother is a complement. This is the subject because that's the emphasis in the sentence. The predicator is the only verb in this sentence, and then my brother is a complement, which is describing the subject. So this becomes subject complement. This is a subject, and this is a predicate. Now, when you come down to the group level, you realize that your subject is made up of a nominal group. This nominal group has modifier, head word, and a qualifier item. That is, the becomes the modifier, boy is the head word in this nominal group, and in the yard is your qualifier. Observe that in this nominal group, the qualifier element already has groups, a group of words rather. The qualifier element has a group of words. That is a group functioning within another group, which is the nominal group. Therefore, what is happening here? The concept of rank shifting has happened here, where a group is functioning within another group. Did you see that? Was that easy? Let's try another example. Another example, the money in the wallet belongs to Mary. Let's do clause structure arrangement for this. We have the money in the wallet being the subject because the emphasis of the sentence. Belongs is the predicator. To Mary is the adjunct. This adjunct is headed by a preposition, prepositionally headed adjunct. That's why this is an adjunct, right? The money in the wallet becomes the subject. Belongs is the predicator, which is a verb. Right. Now, the subject is made up of a nominal group. So we go down here and we do nominal group. This nominal group has three elements: a modifier, head word, and qualifier, where D is the modifier, money is the head word, in the wallet, which is a group of words, right, is the qualifier. Observe that this is a group of words, right, functioning in another group. Therefore, this group is rank shifted because it has lost its value or lost its role as a group, and then it's functioning within another. So should we do it a tree diagram like this, we'll label in the wallet as RG, rank shifted group. Note in square brackets. Rank shifted group would be the qualifier element. Thank you. Now let's go to clauses, rank shifted clauses. A good example will be in this sentence. The man who was caught was jailed. If you observe, I am using simple sentences so you get the hang of rank shifting first before going to complex sentence analysis or multiple sentence analysis. Right. The man who was caught was jailed. The subject of the sentence becomes the man who was caught. The man who was caught. Was is a predicator. Was jailed, rather, is a predicator. The man who was caught was jailed. SP, subject predicator, right? The subject has a nominal clause, Alright? And this nominal plus constituent or modifier, head word, qualifier. Observe this. Now your modifier here is the head word becomes man. Who was caught? Who was caught is a clause functioning within the nominal clause. A clause functioning within the nominal clause. Therefore, who was caught, which is the qualifier element here, is treated as a rank shifted clause. Why? Because it is a clause that operates within the larger nominal clause. Did you get that? It is quite easy to identify. With what we've done, you've been able to see that for nominal groups and clauses, the majority of rank shifted items would be in the qualifier item. And then for the qualifier, especially when you have the modifier, the head word, alright, for the qualifier item, watch out for groups or for clauses. Well, that is one rule that we can abide with. Let's check another one. The book which was stolen belongs to Mr. Austin. The subject of the sentence is the book which was stolen. Right. The book which was stolen is a nominal clause. The nominal clause has modifier, head word, and the qualifier item. The modifier item is the head word is book, which was stolen is a qualifier item. Observe that which was stolen is a clause. Remember, a clause is a group of words that has a finite verb. Was stolen is finite because it tells you about time. Right. Which was stolen is a clause. A clause functioning within the nominal clause. It becomes what? A rank shifted clause. So we put the label RC and we close that. Should you do your analysis further, this rank shifted clause will be treated as a clause on the next level, where you have your subject and your predicator. Let's not go beyond that for now. Right? Now let's consider the sentence. The students who attended the class were asked questions, but only few in the front seat could answer. Let's start by delineating the markers for sentence. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Let's go further and split this into clauses. We have the first clause would be the students who attended the class were asked questions. First clause, marker for clause. But only a few in the front seats could answer. Only a few in the front seat could answer becomes our second clause. So this sentence is made up of two clauses, two independent clauses. So this kind of sentence is called a compound sentence. Now, let's go down to clause analysis. So if we have a compound sentence, two clauses, independent clauses, so we call them alpha clauses, alpha clause. So the sentence made up of one alpha clause and another alpha clause. Independent clause, independent clause. Now let's come down to clause analysis. The students who attended the class were asked questions. The students who attended the class becomes the subject of the sentence. We can replace that with they were asked questions. They were asked questions. Right? So that becomes subject, were asked becomes the predicator. That is the verb. Questions becomes complement. So for this, we have subject, predicator, and then complement. But only few in the front seats could answer. Only few in the front seat could answer. Now, only few in the front seat becomes subject. Could answer becomes predicate. Did you see that? So we have subject, predicate.